Welcome to our in-depth review of the ASUS BE24ECSBT Touch Monitor. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if the ASUS BE24ECSBT Monitor is right for you. Be sure to check the link in description for more details. Let's get started. If you're searching for the best ASUS Touch Monitor, the ASUS BE24ECSBT stands out as a truly versatile and feature-rich choice that blends performance, design, and user convenience into a single powerful display. Designed for professionals, educators, and multitaskers alike, this 23.8-inch monitor redefines interactive screen experiences with its sleek, frameless design and cutting-edge features. The Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS panel ensures stunning visuals with sharp clarity and vibrant colors. Its frameless design not only looks modern, but also offers wide viewing angles, making it ideal for side-by-side setups or collaborative work. The 10-point multi-touch capacity makes it a dream for creatives and interactive users, delivering a smooth, precise, and intuitive touch response that feels incredibly natural. Whether you're scrolling, zooming, or sketching, this monitor keeps up with your every move effortlessly. What truly elevates the BE24ECSBT is its impressive array of connectivity options. With USB-C with up to 80-watt power delivery, HDMI, DisplayPort in and out for daisy chaining, a USB hub, and even an earphone jack, the monitor offers unmatched flexibility. The USB-C port simplifies laptop docking, allowing you to transmit data, send a video signal, and charge your laptop with just one cable. This makes it a perfect centerpiece for a minimalist desk setup or a dynamic workstation that requires clean and efficient cable management. For those working or learning remotely, this ASUS Touch Monitor is an all-in-one solution. It's optimized for video conferencing and online learning, thanks to an integrated Full HD webcam, microphone array, and stereo speakers. These built-in components eliminate the need for extra gear, delivering a clutter-free, ready-to-go setup for Zoom meetings, virtual classes, and collaborative discussions. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. With an ergonomic design featuring plus 35 degrees to minus 5 degrees tilt, plus or minus 180 degrees swivel, plus or minus 90 degrees pivot, and 130 millimeters height adjustments, users can easily position the monitor to their liking. Whether you're presenting content, coding, writing, or video editing, this adjustability ensures you stay comfortable throughout long hours of use. To further enhance your productivity, the ASUS BE24ECSBT is optimized for Windows 11 and 10, allowing full compatibility and touch responsiveness with up to 10 simultaneous inputs. It's ideal for environments that demand multi-touch precision, including design, education, and business applications. Everything you need is right in the box: USB-C cable, USB-C to A cable, DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, cable clip, mini PC kit, power cord, quick release stand, and a quick start guide. So, setup is quick and hassle-free. From connectivity to comfort, the ASUS BE24ECSBT brings together functionality, smart technology, and user-centric design to create an advanced touch monitor experience. If you're serious about productivity and interaction, this model deserves to be on top of your list. What we like: 1. Smooth and accurate 10-point touch. 2. One-cable USB-C laptop docking. 3. Built-in webcam, mic, and speakers. 4. Highly flexible ergonomic adjustments. What we don't like: 1. Touch depends on OS. 2. No 4K resolution.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.